Ayan, pinapaabot ni Catherine. Thank you for everything. Dahil sa dami nang nangyari, ay nandyan pa din kayo. Ayan, very much appreciated ni Catherine. Ayan, at sa lahat ng kanyang supporters, ipinapaabot. I don't like to call you as a fans because I want you to feel you like a family. Ayan. At party kayo lahat ng journey ko na to, and for my 28th year, hindi to magiging posible. Too many more years together. Ayan, basta nandyan lang kayo. Ayan. Thank you for the support, everyone. See you on my next content. Ingat lahat. Bye-bye.